Firstly, check whether A7 battery is charged or not. Press battery on switch. The battery is 0% uncharged. Use 15V power adapter to charge battery for A7. Power adapter specification: output DC 15V, 3A input AC to 100 to 240V. Plug power adapter into the machine to charge. Press battery off switch to test whether the power adapter is well connected or not. Turn on emergency switch. You will see a battery symbol. It is charging. Press battery on switch. Press on the emergency switch to turn off the machine and wait for 90 minutes until charging full. "90 minutes later, unplug the power adapter. Press the emergency switch to open the machine. You will see a battery is full. Next is to select the vehicle and make key. Done. Thank you for watching.